Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to another exciting episode of Marketing in the Zone. So, guys, the series that we have built up from today onwards, we will be discussing a lot about marketing myths and how to debunk them. Okay, so guys, with a lot of marketing myths which I have personally faced during my career, and to the point even now I face it. Okay, so these are some very common myths, and I will definitely tell you how easy or how hard is it to debunk them. Okay, so guys, the first myth that we will be tackling today itself is going to be about creating content. Okay, so I mean, people have told me so many multitudinal times, Krishna, create content, create content, create content. It has gone to my head and it has irritated me to the end. Okay, one of the main reasons why it has irritated me is because content isn't everything, guys. Okay, content is the king. Okay, there's no second way of it, but we will come back to this point. We will debunk this myth and we will discuss a lot about it. So let me just give you a kind of structure as to what we should be expecting this week. Okay, so guys, today we will be discussing on content being the king and how to debunk it. Okay, the second, as in tomorrow, we will be discussing about salespeople who, whenever they attend any marketing meeting, they are asked to leave, saying sales don't get, don't fall for this marketing shit. Okay, just go out, do your sales work. Okay, why is it important, how to tackle that, we will be discussing tomorrow. Wednesday, we are going to discuss marketing being a synonym to advertising. Okay, on Thursday, guys, we will be discussing on why marketing should not focus on selling. Okay, so sales being a core of marketing, we'll discuss how we should not be focusing on sales. Okay, so guys, that's about Wednesday. On Thursday, we'll be discussing marketing being all about numbers and analytics. Okay, there's so much more, guys, about to marketing. Okay, and guys, on Friday we'll be discussing what to do if customers don't respond to something and why or when to try something else. Okay, and on Saturday, guys, we will be discussing the next day we will be discussing how not to just try getting results from marketing. Okay, why marketing should not be goal oriented or result oriented. Okay, how it can be so much more. Okay, so guys, that is going to be all about debunking some of the most popular myths in marketing. Okay, and guys, so coming back to the topic in hand, which is content being the king for marketing. Okay, so guys, yes, there is no second way of it, that content, right content is the king for any business. Okay, but content is not the only thing which has to do with marketing. Okay, so guys, some of the most popular things that I have heard personally is that, Krishna, you can't create enough content, and I'm like, okay, that's really odd for me, because I have written 30 books, guys, and that's in a span of 1.5 year. Okay, 1.5 year I've written 30 books. Okay, and that is all in during my own time, which is the night time alone. So I have probably worked around 3-4 hours to create 30 books every single day. Okay, in 1.5 year. Okay, so guys, you are telling me that I can't create enough content. What do you want to become, the Wikipedia? Guys, they are also looking for some kind of money support now. Are you trying to tell me that you want to be the Wikipedia and yet not be gaining money, and that you want to sell out the business later? I mean, get a reality check. If Wikipedia, being the motherlode of all content, can actually look for money support outside, how big can you be? Okay, so guys, it's not just about content. Okay, marketing is so much more, and it's got to do so much with to a lot of things. Okay, so someone who tells me that marketing is all about content, that's not the fact. Okay, I mean, the most easiest way that you can you can debunk this is by asking them one simple thing. Sir, you want, sir or madam, whomsoever is your boss, then okay, just ask them one little thing. You want to create content and hence be known as a leader in the industry, or you want people to come to your website and kind of convert from there? Because if you want someone to convert from them, content is not just the only fact or factor. Okay, guys, content might be the king, but engagement is the queen. And anyone who is married or no, who has a life enough, they will know that the queen always rules the house. Okay, why? Because she is the one who actually kind of connects you with the outside world, guys. Okay, in a very honest way. Okay, so guys, engagement is what a marketer should actually be always looking for. So anyone who says otherwise is just trying to fool himself and the company. Okay, so guys, whenever someone tells me that content is the king, good, I will create as much content as you want. But tell me, really, is content all that you want? Because if you want me to create content, I'll create as much content as you want. But where do you want to put it? How do you want to use it? That's what is going to make you from a content writer to a marketer, guys. Okay, a content writer will give you as much content as you want, but a marketer will tell you how to use it correctly, where to use it, and how to get engagement from this content, which is what will make you a marketer. Otherwise, you're just a engagement specialist or just a content writer. Decide, guys, what do you want to be? Okay, who do you want to be? And guys, there's so much more, which I can just go on and on. I mean, it's been 15 years, guys, that I've been marketing. Okay, so there's so much more which I have in my head, but okay, to give you one more simple example of why you should not be just focusing on content or just trying to generalize for everyone. Okay, one simple example is, guys, do you know who started off with the whole automobile sector? It was Ford. Okay, and he's when he had started building machines. Okay, he was the first guy who said ki boss, I want a car in every person's house. Okay, and he is also one of the only good planners who had actually kind of made it general for everyone. Okay, so he had initially thought that he would kind of give the kind of custom made model for every single person. Okay, but is he the market leader in automobiles? No. Why? Because though he had started there, he had quickly come to realize that he can't go on a mass scale by generalizing for every single person. Okay, so it's the same with content. Whenever you create content for everyone, you are generalizing basically. Okay, and then what he had done was he had started coming out with black and white vehicles only then, and people hated it, guys, because they had actually seen the different variants and colors. They couldn't get that from Ford thereon. Okay, the only reason he had not failed, but he had found that generalizing does not work. Okay, so he had come out with one single model for everyone, which didn't suit the people then. Okay, because they had seen what is possible. Okay, so guys, in the end, he ended up being probably in the second, third place in the automobile industry that he had started. Okay, he had pioneered basically. Okay, so guys, it's not just about creating content, it's not about just generalizing for everyone, it's about getting to know who your audience is and engaging with them. Okay, it's not just about the how much content you have created every year, how many blogs you have written, how many articles you have written, how many books you have written. It's all about how many people have you been able to engage and get them to convert. Okay, so guys, okay, that's for a different myth. Okay, I was just going to get into sales, sorry. Okay, so guys, that's about content and trying to bring the engagement back in content. Okay, so guys, do not just create content for creation of we are done with our work. That's never what a marketer should say. Okay, so guys, this is a very common myth which I wanted to debunk today. Today being a Monday, I didn't want to miss it on a Monday. Okay, so guys, hope you liked this. If you did, do like, share and subscribe to this channel, guys, and I love to hear your comments. Do not forget to share them with me. Okay, have a great day, guys. All the best. Take care.